Let's count numbers together, friends. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, friends! Now let's count with watermelon slices. 1 equals 1 slice of watermelon. 2 equals 2 slices of watermelon. 3 equals 3 slices of watermelon. 4 equals 4 slices of watermelon. 5 equals 5 slices of watermelon. 6 equals 6 slices of watermelon. 7 equals 7 slices of watermelon. 8 equals 8 slices of watermelon. 9 equals 9 slices of watermelon. 10 equals 10 slices of watermelon. Now let's do some practice together. Are you ready? How many ice creams are inside the box? 1, 2. There are 2 ice creams. How many avocados are inside the box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 avocados. Yay! Great job, friends! See you next time!